Hello everyone, I am Dr. G. Radhika. Welcome to our MBA concept series, one concept at a time, one step closer to success. Today's concept is concepts of marketing. Let's begin. What are the concepts of marketing? Marketing concepts are different business philosophies that guide how companies produce, promote, and sell their products while satisfying customer needs and achieving organizational goals. There are 5 important marketing concepts: the production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and societal marketing concept. Let's understand each one with a simple example. Production concept. The production concept focuses on producing large quantities of goods at low cost and making them widely available. Example, salt. Product concept. The product concept focuses on making high quality products and better feature performances. Example, Apple, iPhone. Selling concept focuses on aggressive promotion and selling techniques to increase sales volume. Example, insurance policies. Marketing concept focuses on understanding customer needs and delivering greater value and satisfaction. Example, Amazon. Societal marketing concept focuses on balances customer satisfaction, company profits, and the well-being of society and the environment. Example, paper bags instead of plastic. Remember this order: production, product, selling, marketing, and societal marketing. These 5 concepts explain the evolution of modern marketing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.